I don't even think I have time to do my hair. I'm just going like this. Let's go. We're going to Sociology Coffee. We stopped in Placerville on the way to Tahoe. And it looks so cute. So we're gonna check it. We got the door. Follow the vines. So I got the chicken pestito. Really good. And then the crème precipice. We're gonna eat and then we're gonna continue. We made it! I'm scared to see how busy it is.
Yeah, honestly, me fucking too. I'm fucking terrified.
Just go up there, there's a line. No, alright, let's go home.
If it was like crazy long, honestly, I don't know if I could do it.
We could do one run and then just dip. Because I don't like it when it's busy either, because then you just spend most of your day just waiting.
Yeah, exactly.
Like, you're not even skiing. Because I've been on those days, like with my dad, where it's like we're literally waiting in line for like 30 minutes and then you spend 10 on the run.
Yeah.
And it's like...
Yeah, at that point I'd be like, alright, lunch in Tahoe.
Oh yeah, so here's the mount. Stuck this on last night, so I don't know if we need time to cure. We'll find out.
Oh my god, they have hella songs on their car. They didn't take that off. You know, it's a law in like Iowa or something. Somebody was driving with someone on top of their car, flew off the back, went through her windshield and then killed her. And so it's called Jessica's Law. They're like, if you are driving around with it on top of your car, you'll get pulled over and you have to clear it off before.
We made it. 2 runs later.
You are the baldest one I've ever seen. You're the baldest one west of the Rockies.
At some point, I think it would be cool to get the Insta 360.
Yeah.
Oh, you're recording now.
Go. Love you.
Snow feels so nice, dude.
And it's so crunchy.
He sat down in his chair. I don't even want to imagine how excited to be back up.
That's why I haven't sat down yet.
Snow here, untouched. And then just wave. Are you recording?
Yeah.
Okay. So you wave and then I'll wave. Alright, so we just finished. How many runs did we do? So like 3.5, right?
I thought we did Maggie's 3 times.
Did we? Okay, so 4.
I think that we did.
Okay, so we did 4 runs.
Yeah.
So it's currently 1:11.
Hey. Hey.
The traffic getting into here wasn't too bad. It came to a full stop at one point, but then it kept moving. But it was like pretty wet, actually blinding. I couldn't see the road at points. We're just gonna get out of Tahoe before it gets dark, and then we're gonna hopefully get ramen.
Snow felt great. The eyes did not feel great. Yeah, that's it. You want some
Talking
muffin?
to you early. What? I have a bite.
It's a good piece.
Thank you.
It's rolled in cinnamon sugar, I think.
I'm sorry.
Bruh is
You know,
making
okay,
out with the
my mom-
muffin. Oh no.
It's really good.
Isn't it so good?
Chocolate chip muffin from Sociology.
They roll it in cinnamon sugar. So good. Umami. Mommy ramen.
So, yes. Umami ramen.
You mommy, I mommy.
Which is probably
she, we mommy.
an hour and a half away, maybe. Yeah, let's go. So we found out that Umami ramen closed at 2:30. So we are now getting fukumi.
Can I talk to it?
Yes.
I have to pee so bad.
Tunnel vision. I'm back. So I didn't film anything after Fukumi. So I used to work there. When we went into this one, our former manager was there. We started talking a little bit. But anyway, so I didn't film in there besides the food. But it was really nice to catch up. And she comped our meal, which was so sweet. So after we just went home, it was so nice to go with fresh powder. The last 2 times we went earlier in the season, it was like Tahoe had not gotten any snow. And so the resorts were only open using their like man-made snow. So there was only like 4 runs open out of 114, I believe. So today there was like basically 99 runs, which we didn't go that far, but it was just like made the world of a difference because there was snow everywhere, and like the snow wasn't so icy and like really bad like it was the last 2 times we went. It was actually like super smooth. So I was trying to film with my GoPro. So I had like the helmet attachment for the GoPro and I was using it, but like because of the touch screen, sometimes like when I went to press record, it would like for some reason switch to photo instead of video, and then it would just take a photo and it wouldn't record. So I was able to get like some footage, but then the rest of the runs were like, it was just taking a photo. I didn't get all the footage I wanted. Also, Sociology, I had been to their Folsom location a few times and they always make really good drinks. Like they do this like seasonal menu, and their seasonal menu is really good. And so I was excited to hear that they had one in Placerville, and I had it on my list to go visit for a while, but I just like, Placerville is like an hour away from me, so it was just like, might as well just go to Folsom. So it was nice that we were passing through and I was able to try it this time. So yeah, that was today. Until next time, bye!